The 7-day transformation. Rebuild yourself from within. In the wise words of Seneca, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. What if I told you that in just 7 days you could completely reinvent yourself? Not a slightly improved version, but a transformation so profound that those around you would hardly recognize you. This isn't some gimmick, it's a disciplined, relentless approach to breaking old patterns and stepping into a new identity, one built on discipline, self-respect, and purpose. You don't need years to change. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. All you need is 1 week of absolute commitment to becoming the person you've always envisioned. The truth about change. Most people believe transformation is a slow, gradual process. That's a lie. Change happens the moment you decide to stop tolerating the habits and mindsets that have been holding you back. The problem is, most people never reach this point because facing the truth is uncomfortable. The Stoics understood this. Marcus Aurelius and Seneca emphasized radical self-honesty, the courage to confront your weaknesses and take full responsibility for your life. As Seneca said, a consciousness of wrongdoing is the first step to salvation. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button. Things are about to get hotter. So, today you're going to do what most people never will. Take a brutally honest inventory of your life. Identify the habits, distractions, and fears that have kept you stuck. Acknowledge the version of yourself that procrastinated, made excuses, and settled for less. Burn the bridge to your old self. The hardest part of transformation isn't the change itself, it's letting go of who you've been. That version of you must die today. To make this real, write down everything holding you back. The bad habits, the limiting beliefs, the excuses. Then destroy that list. Burn it, rip it up, throw it away. This symbolic act signals to your mind that there's no turning back. The Stoics believed in the power of rituals to reinforce change. This is your moment to leave behind the person you've been and step into the disciplined, focused individual you're destined to become. Restructure your habits, rebuild your identity. Your habits are either working for you or against you. There's no middle ground. Every action, every choice, and every routine is shaping your future. Start with your mornings. How you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of waking up and rushing into chaos, follow the Stoic practice of morning reflection. Sit in silence for a few minutes and ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be today? What actions will align with that identity? Then, take control of your environment, make your bed, move your body, feed your mind with knowledge. These small intentional actions compound over time, reinforcing the identity you're building. No room for negotiation. Your old habits will try to creep back in. Your mind will attempt to pull you into comfort and procrastination. But from this moment forward, you must adopt a new mindset. That's not who I am anymore. When self-doubt or laziness tries to take hold, you shut it down. No negotiation, no excuses. The only way to truly transform is to burn the bridge to your past self, leaving no path back to comfort and mediocrity. 7 days to become unrecognizable. For the next 7 days, commit to this process with everything you have. Wake up with discipline. Train your body, sharpen your mind, eliminate distractions, reject excuses. By the end of this week, you won't just feel different, you'll be different. Your habits will shift, your mindset will evolve, and your future will begin to unfold exactly as you've envisioned. This is your reset button, your moment to stop waiting for change and start creating it. The path to transformation. Master your day, master your life. Admiral William H. McRaven once said, "If you want to change the world, start by making your bed." This simple act is more than just tidying up your space. It's your first small victory of the day, setting the tone for further accomplishments. Step 1. Build momentum with small wins. Starting your day with a completed task, like making your bed, gives you a sense of achievement and sets the foundation for a productive day.
This momentum pushes you to tackle bigger goals and maintain discipline throughout the day. Step 2. Move your body. After securing your first win, engage in some form of physical activity. It doesn't need to be an intense workout. A short walk or light stretching is enough to get your blood flowing and energize your mind. The Stoics, like Epictetus, emphasize the importance of caring for both the body and the mind. A healthy body strengthens mental clarity and resilience. Step 3. Fuel your body with intention. Your morning meal should nourish you, not drain you. Choose foods that provide lasting energy and focus, avoiding things that leave you sluggish or regretful. Remember, this is about building habits that enhance your performance, not diminish it. Step 4. Control your mind, not your feed. Throughout the day, be mindful of your breaks. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media, use that time to step outside, reflect, or read something that sharpens your mind. Seneca often used quiet moments to journal and reflect on his actions and thoughts. This practice helps you stay grounded and aligned with your goals. Step 5. End the day with reflection. As the day comes to a close, create a calming evening routine. Limit screen time and reconnect with yourself or your loved ones. Before bed, reflect on your day as Marcus Aurelius did. Ask yourself, what challenge did I overcome today? Where did I show discipline? What can I improve tomorrow? This practice isn't about self-criticism, but self-awareness. By observing your actions and mindset, you gain control over your progress and growth. The power of consistency. By consistently following this routine, you're not just changing your actions, you're rewiring your mind. You're training yourself to live with purpose, focus, and discipline. Each day becomes a stepping stone toward becoming the person you are truly meant to be. Stay committed, one day at a time, until these habits become second nature, not just something you do, but a reflection of who you are. Master your body, master your mind. Your body is a reflection of your discipline. It tells the story of your daily choices, whether you push forward or give in to comfort. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The way you move, the way you carry yourself, and the physical energy you project all matter. Not just for aesthetics, but for the person you are becoming. The ancient Stoics understood this well. Seneca once said, "The body should be treated more rigorously, that it may not be disobedient to the mind." In other words, when you learn to control your body, your mind follows. Most people think physical transformation is about hitting the gym or following a diet, but it's deeper than that. It's about building resilience, embracing discomfort, and pushing through resistance, both in training and in life. The power of voluntary discomfort. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort to prepare for hardship. They fasted, walked barefoot, and even slept on hard floors, not to suffer, but to remind themselves they could handle anything. Because once you realize discomfort won't break you, you stop fearing it. And when you stop fearing discomfort, you become unstoppable.
Move with purpose. From this moment forward, you train not just to look better, but to become better. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment. Just start. Run, do push-ups, lift something heavy, get your heart rate up, break a sweat, feel your body come alive. This isn't punishment, it's awakening something inside you that's been dormant for too long. The confidence you're searching for comes from effort, from pushing past your limits. That's how you begin to reshape your identity. Consistency over perfection. You don't need to train like an elite athlete, you just need to train like someone who respects themselves, someone who understands that discipline in the body creates discipline in the mind. As Marcus Aurelius said, you must build up your life action by action and be content if each one achieves its goal as far as possible. One workout won't change your life, but showing up every single day will fuel your body, fuel your mind. What you feed your body dictates your energy, focus, and mood. The Stoics believed in avoiding indulgence and excess, understanding that self-mastery begins with self-control. Epictetus warned, "No man is free who is not master of himself." So today, you eat with intention. No more mindless snacking. No more foods that leave you sluggish and unfocused. Every bite should serve a purpose, to fuel your strength, sharpen your mind, and push you closer to your goals. Posture, movement, presence. When you start treating your body like a weapon instead of an afterthought, everything changes. You stand taller. You move with confidence. You carry yourself like someone who is in control. And trust me, people notice. More importantly, you notice. Because the stronger you become physically, the more unshakable you become mentally. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your greatest enemy. Most people are trapped in their own thoughts, prisoners of self-doubt, fear, and excuses. They tell themselves stories like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'm not capable," until those stories become reality. But here's the truth. Your mind is nothing more than a collection of patterns and beliefs, and just like any bad habit, negative thinking can be broken. Reprogram your mindset. The Stoics were relentless in mastering their thoughts. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Your reality isn't shaped by what happens to you, it's shaped by how you respond. So today, you stop reacting to life. You stop letting circumstances control you. The first step, awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts. Notice how often doubt creeps in, how quickly excuses surface, how easily negativity takes over. Every time you catch that voice saying, "I can't," stop it, challenge it. Ask yourself, where did that belief come from? Is it even true? Who would I be without that thought? Most of the time, these limiting beliefs are nothing but outdated scripts you've been running on autopilot. The Stoics called this practice examining your impressions. Destroy the old narrative. From this moment forward, you stop identifying with weakness. You stop negotiating with self-doubt. You show up, you push forward, you endure discomfort. Because when you master your body, you master your mind. And when you master your mind, you become unstoppable. Master your body, master your mind. Your body reflects your discipline. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about who you're becoming. The Stoics understood this deeply. Seneca said, "The body should be treated more rigorously, that it may not be disobedient to the mind." True transformation goes beyond the gym. It's about building resilience, embracing discomfort, and pushing through resistance, both in workouts and in life. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort, like fasting and sleeping on the floor, not to suffer, but to prove they could endure. When you stop fearing discomfort, you become unstoppable. Move your body today, run, lift, sweat, not to look better, but to be better. Fuel yourself with intention. Eat for strength, not comfort. Every bite is a choice between weakness and discipline. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your biggest weakness. Most people are trapped by limiting beliefs and fear. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, visualizing the worst case scenario to strip fear of its power. Face your fears head on and take action instead of complaining. Strengthen your relationships. Be present. Listen. The people around you shape your mindset. Surround yourself with those who uplift and challenge you. Finally, stop drifting through life. Get clear on your goals. What does your ideal life look like in 5 years? Break that vision down into daily actions and execute with discipline. As Marcus Aurelius said, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. You've already started. Keep pushing, keep evolving, because